Hi everyone, welcome to Homestead and Hustle. Today we're going to take a look at our garden that we've started and talk about some of the renovations we've completed. Let's go. I think he needs a bigger chainsaw. Well, we got I guess possums everywhere. It's like Maddie killed a possum. Maddie, did you do that? Hey, hang on, it's gross. Good girl, Maddie. Okay, let's head to the garden. There's a little pond that they put in right here, and I'll explain later in another video why it's here and what it's used for, but we do have plans for it to make it nicer, but that'll be another video. It's pretty cool to have it here. Okay, Maddie, let's go to the garden. Come on, let's go. We've decided to go ahead and start a garden. It's the only place we really have right now that we can safely do it. We have to build an area, and right now it's not possible with all the construction going on. So we just decided to, throw in a few plants and see what happens. It's this area here. It's on the side. We have a side porch here, and we're going to have it here for now. We'll probably change it later. But we just want to get some plants in the ground. I'll probably have David remove these bushes here and some of this other stuff. I kind of would like to maybe go ahead and give it a try on this side as well with some edible landscaping. I just like the idea of that, and we'll see how it works. I planted some chocolate mint here, but it's not doing very well. I think it's just not enough sun. So I'm going to have David move this pot and see if it does better where there's more sun all day. And then we have it over here as well. I went ahead and put a tomato plant here, and you see I have a trellis. And yes, this house is in need of painting. It's a very old house, and it hasn't really been, the people that had it before really didn't keep it up very well. And planted some begonias, and this pot was already here, and I just gave it a quick paint. And then this is some rosemary that's here. So I trimmed it back. It was looking pretty bad, but it's looking good now. I added some fertilizer to it, and it's looking much better. I trimmed it So I want to gradually get it into a nice shape. Not sure how I'll do that, but and then I had some cucumbers, but something ate my cucumbers, so I got to figure out something different for the cucumbers. And right here is where I've started planting banana peppers, and as you can see, this all has to be cleaned up. It wasn't, when I first started planting, there wasn't anything really growing in it because it was still pretty cold. But now that the sun has popped out and it's been raining a lot, everything's growing. I'm going to clean all this up over here, and I'm planning on putting a trellis here, getting rid of that railroad tie, and putting a trellis here, and I'll grow something on it, but I don't know what yet. But anyway, we're just getting this all cleaned up, and we'll give you some updates on how it's all going and what else we plant. And I've got to figure out something for my cucumbers.